to our channel. So, how many times have you done this? When you are cooking late, you are too tired to clean your pot. If you don't know how to clean your pot, this video is good for you. When many people encounter stains that are difficult to remove on the bottom of the pot, most of them will use tools such as steel wool to deal with it violently. But this method will drastically reduce the lifespan of your non-stick pan. Now I will show you a method that can be done in less than 5 minutes and only $5. All we need are hot water and baking soda. We are going to pour in a nice pile of baking soda here. And then we are going to fill this in with hot water. And we are going to heat this up on medium-high heat. So we are going to go ahead and let this do its thing until just about all the water is gone. By the way, if this is your first time to hear and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen-related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss. You can actually see this stuff turning darker with all these little pieces of burnt up stuff coming to the top. Once you've had this reducing for a while, you can go ahead and take a spatula. Here or not, keep in mind, you don't have to make this totally clean this way, because anything that's left on there is going to be really loose. So now all we gonna do is pour this out and check out the pan okay. We are gonna pour this out and we will just go ahead and use a little bit of soap and water to finish this up. Now you can see that comes out really clean with pretty much no effort. So this method works best when your pans are still warm and you are cleaning them up right away and they haven't been sitting overnight like this. Now check that out. It looks like a brand new pan that you took out of the box. For more tips on how to clean your stainless steel cookware, check out the link in the description. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me and can't wait to see back again here really soon. Thanks, goodbye.